Hello everyone, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial video, I want to show you how to configure a door to basically have the door unlock time to be longer for specific users with reduced mobility, for instance, and also activate a programmable output to trigger the door opener, okay? And basically this is called the function output, but there's a special command we're gonna use to make sure the function output only activates for the users with the extended time option set in the user properties, okay? Let's have a look. This is the ICT Protege GX platform, which Inaxsys is the proud Canadian distributor of, all right? So let's have a look at the GX system. I'll show you how to program this. So the first step, let's go to the door properties, all right? So as you can see in the door properties, I'll grab my office door here. So in the output, you see the lock activation time is 5 seconds. So that's for regular card access users without the extended time option. The door will unlock for 5 seconds, okay? But there's also a feature called function output, okay? What I've done, I've created an output for the door opener. I called it door operator, and I've assigned it to the function 1 output. And just remember the number because it's gonna be important in the next couple steps, okay? So that's the output. If I leave it as this, any user with granted access to the door would trigger the lock output and the function output, but that's not what I want. So what I did is under the general tab of the door, under commands, I enabled this command here. So activate on ADA-F, and then basically the number 1 is the number of the function output we just saw earlier, okay? So that's the command to use. If you remember from maybe a few months ago, we did a video on how to use commands with GX and WX, so you can refer to that video, and basically this is a description of the feature I'm using here, the command I'm using, okay? So by using this function, automatically when someone badges, it's gonna trigger the door opener output only for users with reduced mobility that have the extended time on access feature programmed in the user properties, okay? So let's go back to the GX platform. Okay, so again, the function output here is my door operator. I have the command here to enable output 1 only for special users. Okay, the next step, we'll go to the user properties. All right, so if I select this first user under options, you see the user doesn't have the extended door access function, but if I select my second user, you see the option is set. So basically, I'm going to show you in the live events page so you can see the process, but basically if I badge a regular card, it should only unlock the door for 5 seconds and it should not trigger the door opener output. If I use the other card, which is basically the one set with the extended door access function, it's going to unlock the door for 10 seconds and will trigger the door opener output. Okay, so let's look at the status page to see the process. All right, so my office door is closed and locked, the door operator is off, and the lock output is off. If I badge the regular card, you see the lock output triggers, but not the door operator, and the door will unlock for 5 seconds. Now it's locked. If I use the special card or the card with the extended time option, all right, access granted, the door operator on, the lock output is on, and you'll see that the door is unlocked and the lock output is on for more than 5 seconds. It's going to be 10 seconds. All right, very easy to do, very useful feature. You know, if you have an entrance of a building, you know, where you have some people with reduced mobility, you could also use this application for the delivery guys if they have boxes to move in, things like that, so they could help them have the door unlocked and open automatically for them. Okay, so again, this was how to activate the function output on specific users with the GX system. I hope you liked the video. Please like, please subscribe, please follow our channel. And if you need help, tech support, or sales, you can contact our teams from Inaxsys.com. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.